Good morning, and what a good morning it is. Today we're going to finish up connecting the front end and back end together. Let's call it a marriage, if you will. Everything's been assembled, checked, rechecked, sprayed, and this is actually going to be one of the big moments to get all this back together. The front end's under the sheet so it didn't get some overspray. See how it goes. First, lifting up the front end so it can fit the tires. Okay, so now we've got the front wheels on. We've got a rolling front end. I'll tie the gantry up to the middle section here. Then we need to roll it back into the rear end, into the gearbox section. These pins here, this is actually just the bar to hold it up, but we've got pins. These pins will go through those 4 holes there, 2 on that side, 2 on this side. They will then go into these slots at the bottom here and at the top there. So we'll just roll it back slowly, put in those pins, and that's it. We've got the front and the back end back together. Then we can start fitting all the miscellaneous bits and pieces. Alright, there we go. All back together. Rear section, front section, tied in. I've actually had these pins resized to match up with the holes in here, to remove all the extra play. You could have just bought new pins, but the problem was that the chassis was worked out, and we had to resize the pins and line bore the chassis.